Hello! In this video we will walk through the basic steps of assembling a computer system unit, safely and correctly. First, understand the process of computer assembly. Next, learn the step-by-step procedure. Then, assemble hardware following standard safety guidelines. Here are the things to prepare. An anti-static wrist strap, screwdrivers and screws, and all PC components such as the motherboard, CPU, RAM, and others. Let us go through the step-by-step assembly overview. First, install the motherboard. Open the case, wear your anti-static wrist strap, and screw in the motherboard securely. Next, install the CPU. Handle carefully. Align using the golden mark, place in the socket and secure with the lever. Now attach the heatsink and fan. Mount it on the CPU and connect the fan cable to the correct motherboard port. Insert the RAM. Push into the slot until the clips click into place. Install the power supply. Mount it in the case and screw it tightly. Install the video card. Plug into the correct PCIe slot, secure with a screw, and connect power if needed. Mount the hard drive. Secure in its bay, then connect power and SATA data cables. Install the optical drive if any. Similar to the hard drive, mount, screw in, and connect cables. Connect internal cables. Plug in all power and data cables based on the motherboard manual. ATX power, CPU power, front panel for power and reset buttons, USB and audio ports, and case fans. Connect external peripherals. Monitor using VGA or HDMI. Mouse and keyboard using USB or PS2. Speakers and power cables. Final step, double-check all cables before powering on. With careful handling and following the correct steps, your PC will be up and running smoothly.